In today's video, let me show you how to fix the Bank of America app not working. If you're having issues using the Bank of America application, in this video, let me show you the few solutions that you can try out. Now, the first thing that you can immediately do is make sure you close out the Bank of America application from running in the black background, so you can just remove the application and try to clear the app cache. If this first step does not work for you, is also what you need to ensure is that you disable your VPN. If you're currently connected to a VPN, make sure you disconnect and also try switching your network. For example, if you're currently using Wi-Fi, you can try switching to your cellular data and vice versa. Now, even after trying both of these steps, you're still having issues with it. The other thing that you can also try out is try to reinstall the application. So make sure you uninstall first of all and then again re-download it. This ensures that you have the latest version and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue will also be fixed. Now, even after doing all of these steps, you're still having issues with it. This is likely due to the server-side issue of Bank of America. So in this situation, you just need to wait out a couple of hours, mainly 1 to 2 hours before the issue is automatically fixed. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next video.